Meet Tiger, the orange tabby with more chaos than calories. He starts his day with a classic move, the 3 a.m. Zoomies. No warning, no reason, just vibes. Mission 1, destroy every object that dares to stand still. Mission success. And when you think the chaos is over, boom. But somehow, he's still the cutest little menace in the universe. And yes, he also argues with invisible ghosts. Classic orange cat behavior. That's our Tiger. 100% chaos, 100% adorable, 100% orange cat energy. Howls, fire,